Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, do we use symbol before attribute names in CSS selectors is a question. So when you create CSS selectors is one of the located type. There are different locator types like ID locator, name locator, class name locator, link text locator, CSS selectors, XPath expressions, and etc. CSS selectors are one of them. So while creating the CSS selectors locators for locating a particular element or elements on the web pages, okay, in that CSS selectors, when you mention the attribute names, before that attribute names, do you mention or specify this symbol? Is a question. The answer is no. In XPath expressions, we specify before the attribute name this particular symbol. In XPath expressions, we have to specify before the attribute names. But in CSS selectors, the answer is no, guys. Okay, we use this symbol only in XPath expressions. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll open one browser, like Chrome browser. I'll take you to one application. Okay, let's say I would like to locate something yeah, anything I can locate. That's okay. I'll just inspect this drop-down field, inspect this. Or I'll inspect this this button otherwise. Okay, login button. Okay, I'll inspect this login button. Let's see what is there. The HTML code. Okay. So you see here, this is the HTML code of this login button. If I want to locate this login button, so I have to choose one attribute here. It looks like value is called login looks unique for me and tag name is input. So using this HTML code, if I create an XPath expression, I say Control F, and first I'll copy this login, which is a value of this value attribute. Attribute name is value. So input is the tag name. So I'll create the XPath expression, /input, this XPath expression. So what is attribute name? Value. Value I have to write. In XPath expression, you are using symbol. Is equal to, in single quotes, you have to provide the actual value of this value attribute. And you see, by writing this XPath expression and providing or specifying this symbol before this attribute name, okay, one of the attribute name of this HTML code of this login button, we are able to locate this login button. Okay, we are able to locate this login button. So what if I create CSS selector here? I'll remove this // and here I'm converting into CSS selector. In CSS selector, you see this is an invalid CSS selector. Why? Because in CSS selector, before the attribute names, symbol will not be used. Once the moment, okay, once I remove this symbol before this attribute name and press enter, you see it's locating. Now it is locating the login button, guys. Earlier it was not locating. Now this XPath expression is locating the login button. That itself proves that in CSS selectors, before the attribute names, we don't specify this symbol. That's the answer for this question. So with practical demonstration, I have answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.